Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so listen, I got my Wednesday winner here. Had a large selection of who I could have chose, but I chose one particular tool. Let's take a look at it. And bring it up here. So that name of that tool is Learnverse, right? And I get the name, right, why they did that. But what Learniverse is, it is a tool that can literally create a course, full blown course for you in less than 60 seconds. It's averaging around 45 seconds to put together a full course. But again, when it puts the course together, it's actually giving you YouTube links as well. So it will embed LinkedIn. It won't embed, but it will include LinkedIn, not LinkedIn. I'm sorry, YouTube courses. So if a person wants to dive deeper, they can pick up the YouTube course that's in there as well. Or you can go ahead and create your own course based off of the concepts of that particular YouTube video that it found. I think that's an excellent idea. So this tool, here's what I will say. I have never seen a tool do this before. So I have Unschooler, which is pretty good. I think Unschooler puts together some of its own videos, which I can appreciate as well. And I also have Mini Course. Now, if I combine all three of those and with Eureka, actually, I think I'm going to do a hack pack on that. That'll be available on Hackpack TV. And I kind of went over that last night when I went over my FOMO show. I kind of talked about the concept of combining all of those together. So, and getting a powerful course. So I will do that for my Hackpack TV. So if you are Hackpack 4 on this channel or above, you'll be able to get access to that. But I'm going to do a breakdown on all three and show you the pros and cons of this particular tool utilizing mini course. So yeah, this is about Learnverse. I wanted to share with you. Also, Zach, surprisingly, is going to be on the show Monday. I'll have a link in the description to the live stream of that. That's going to go on at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So really around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that'll be there, but he is going to be there. He's going to spend about 45 minutes with us. He's going to kind of give you the vision. I know the vision. I'm excited about the vision. One thing I will tell you about what's different about this particular tool versus a tool like a mini course is this tool's architecture is built on using LLMs or the whole ChatGPT based model. So it wasn't built on a older architect, then added ChatGPT or chat modules. This was built from the ground up on that. And you can see because it's a lot faster too. Putting a course together, I promise you this is the fastest tool I ever seen put a course together. So again, this is my Wednesday winner. I didn't think it would be my Wednesday winner. I started digging into it a little bit more. And there you go. So there's a lot on the horizon for this particular tool, but there are some things that this tool is doing just based off the way it's built. And what I will tell you before I wrap this up is there is no tool for completing and putting courses together faster than this tool. So I will tell you that. So there are some comparisons, but like I said, I am going to do a full breakdown. I'm going to hack all three. I think I'm going to hack 3 or 4 tools together with Learnverse and build something crazy. So I am going to do that on my Hackpack 4 and my Hackpack TV. You'll be able to get access to that. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Thank you so much for checking out my Wednesday winner. Yeah. If I'm looking at this though, based on what I know is happening, I'm looking at least a tier 4. Because tier 4 gives you unlimited active courses, right? So that's where it changes. Tier 3 gives you 20 active courses, 300 AI credits per month. One other thing, it gives you unlimited knowledge-based storage. So the way this is going to be built, and I'm just going to give you this sneak peek here. The way this is going to be built is this university. That's why it's called Learnverse, because the entire learning universe you put together is it's going to eventually be based off of your knowledge. your knowledge base. So the things that you know. So it's going to use your YouTube videos, your PDFs, your white papers, your books, and all that. And then it's even going to be to the point that it's going to recommend courses based off of the knowledge that you've put in there already. I'm excited about this one. Spoke to Zach again. Like I said, Zach's going to be on here. Yeah, if I'm looking at this, I'm going maxed out tier 4, because here's what I'm going to tell you. And you heard it here first. If this tool leaves, right, this tool is not on select right now, but if it leaves or if it gets enough traction, then this tool is going to move up. And I can assure you the price of this tool is going to go up. And know how I know that? Because when I purchased mini course a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago, 2.5, maybe 3 years ago, when I purchased it, it was dirt cheap. It was like $39. Now it's super expensive. And this tool has the ability to be that same type of tool that's going to catch on. And as they add new things, it's going to take off. So again, the ability to upgrade or downgrade between 4 license tiers. Professional, you're going to want to be on this tier, the professional plan. Unlimited manual course creation, add unlimited sections per module. And because I think the way that it's built on the architecture there, it doesn't cost more. I can put together a full-blown course for 5 AI credits. That's on average. That's crazy, because on with other tools that have the AI built into it later, it takes me about 3 times as many, maybe 15 to 20 credits to put together a full course. This one only takes 5. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully you guys stuck around and you found those little gems that I gave you. You guys have been great. Take care. Wednesday winner. I think it's a winner. Chicken dinner. Goodbye for now.